Alright, this time I have a G monogram that I'm changing the water dispenser right here, this assembly that was broken. To remove that, because the door is on top of the assembly, you have to open the door panel. You see these screws on the top, and if you go on the side of it, there's more screws on the side all the way down. We open all those screws, and once you do that, then the door will be pushed open from the side. From the left side, you have to pull it out like 45 degrees angle. Once you pull it out, then actually I forgot to tell you that on the bottom also there's 3 screws. You have to open those as well. So once you do that, then the door panel comes out like that, and just pull it out easily like that. Put it aside, and then put your screwdriver right here. Very gently push it so you don't break the clips, and just pull out the front panel. Once you remove this assembly, then the rest of them is very easy. Make sure you turn off your refrigerator and then turn it off from the breaker. I can't reach the plug from behind this, so I'm gonna turn it off from the breaker. Now you push this little nib right here, push with something, and then the panel will come out like that very easily, and then pull it down. Take your wires out. It will look like that. Put it aside, and then after that, open these 4 screws from the corners. Once you open that, your assembly will come out. Make sure, take a picture of your wires. Look at that mold. Right here we have a little switch on the side. That one you have to remove it too very carefully so you don't break it. You don't break the little holders. And you have a spring on the side. Make sure you put it back when you remove it first, and then put it back on. And just clean everything here. You see all that? So right here, when you're opening this, it's very hard and very easy to break. Make sure you don't break your that little clip that's holding. Remove the switch, otherwise you will break it, because the switch is on top of the assembly. See that little nibble right there? That's on top of the switch, on the bottom actually. Now I put the new one on. I put my switch back on. Everything in its place. You see the spring is there. It all looks good. I'm gonna put it back together. Make sure just test it here. Push it a couple of times. Make sure it makes that click. Everything is good. And I took out my this flapper. Remove those screws. Remove the flapper. Clean it out. Put it back on. Clean like that. And then once you put everything together, put your door panel. This is how it's gonna look like, beautifully.